Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover 3.0 P460e 38.2kWh Autobiography. Now, this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black. To start off with, then you have your digital LED headlights with signature daytime running lights. These are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch 10-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing against the Santorini black exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your split electric boot lid. And once open, you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase. Also within the boot, you are able to find your controls for your electronic deployable tow bar, allowing you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps a caravan. As this vehicle is a plug-in hybrid, it has a range of up to 75 miles. On a 7 kilowatt charge, it can take up to 5 hours to charge. And to get to 80% on a rapid charge, it can take up to 40 minutes. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. You also have a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you'll always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations, along with DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving, along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. This vehicle also has your 4x4 information, along with different terrain response modes, your ride height as well as weight sensing, making this vehicle ideal for most terrain, especially if you have any off-road adventures you may like to go on. On your screen you also have your tow bar, so you can easily deploy or stow away from the inside of the cabin. And you also have your 360 view camera with a towing feature as well, an off-road feature for those adventures you may take, and of course your on-road feature, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. You also have a dual zone climate control, where you can individually adjust the temperature, and as well as this you both have heated and ventilated front seats. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover 3.0 P460e 38.2kWh Autobiography that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.